welcome to my YouTube channel StockSafariIndia. So today we are going to discuss about some surprising reviews done by AI platforms. So as everyone know, we have created a fully automated Google Sheet which you can see on the screen. So this is a nifty option chain analysis which runs with API as a background. So surprisingly, what we have done, like we have gone through few AI platforms and out of curiosity I have run some automated Google Sheet trading system where it goes through each and every layout and understands the concept behind it. And so using some AI platforms, we have gone through the review approach and understand how our platform is strong and systematic. So what I came to know, because this AI platform has given some honest reviews, so I would like to quickly share what actually it has given. According to AI, the style of trading what we are doing is around 1 to 2% of the Indian retailer traders who does all this kind of API approaches, which works completely with the base of data. So what makes the system more than normal? So if doesn't it doesn't really rely on single signals. As you know, we have multiple signals in our Google Sheet which runs with more than 5 to 6 checklist. As you can see, as of now we have few checklist which is getting into pass. Once we get the information shown as pass in this validation area, automatically our algo in our Python scripting, it hits to the code and it generates the new trade. So it all depends on data. It never involve any human involvement in this kind of trading. So as you can see here, we uses nearly 5 to 6 independent confirmations like weekly trend, intraday trend, and OA and VWAP and option trend as well. So it doesn't depends on any other human involvement. It uses only completely AI market interpretations. We also have few included few new things like perplexity API report, which gives you some great information about what happens in based on yesterday night to till today morning, what are the major news that we have to cover in the market today. So we have segregated different types here. So as you can see on the screen, the economic policy updates, and we have taken top 5. I mean, if you go with any of the news platform, we get more than 15 to 20 news indications, but we really wanted to concentrate on top 5 on each segment. In economic and policy updates, we have taken top 5, and even for the sector and corporate events also we have taken 5. And at the end of this each updates, you can also see here we have indicated the what is the impact that is going to involve in the stock market. So for an instance, if you see here, the Fed rate cut, they are expecting to cut the Fed rate. So what is the impact that is going to happen in the market? Out of 10 we are getting 9. That means this is the high majority, uh, one kind of reference we can follow in the market. And not only this, we also have included few other segments like option Greek calculations, as you can see here. So each and every option price goes through this option Greek calculators, and it tells us in detail information about what actually happening in the market. And when you go through this checklist also, we have given directly shown you the top major news and sectors here. Now let's get into the review again. So it is saying it doesn't leave the room for emotions. It uses the automated live market data. So as you see, these are the live data which it is following. So we have OI waves, VWAP detections, and trade shifts. Every 5 minutes we have multiple trading signals which we are included in this Google Sheet. For say, like if you want to identify the signals for the trade, we have this every 5 minutes loaded here. And we also have a top 5 CE and PE decay calculations, and we do also have charts which will be showing on the screen. So you can see these crossovers. So there is some bullish movement happen in the market. If you go in check into the market time, we can see some very big green candle when you can see these crossovers. So generally we always refer to these crossovers as a bullish segment or bearish segments. It works vice versa. And again, it doesn't force any trades, and it detects choppy market and stop by itself. That means, as you know, since it is an algo traded approach, it always reads the data perfectly, and whether to enter the trade or not, it takes a call with a lot of calculations behind it actually. And a call out why most trader never reach these stages. So let us give some what are the major things which most of the retail traders will not follow. They trade based on tips. The tips might be in the form of telegram and whatsapp. They do not maintain any journals. They rely on completely on luck and emotions. They want action every day. They do not automate or validate their logic. So if you see all these points, we already have this information, everything loaded here. All these 5 points, everything was loaded here. So, and let us also go through some other review which AI labeled as. And the most important thing, what our AI review generated as. So what kind of a category our system falls into, this Google sheet. It is simply saying the AI has labeled it as institutional retail trader, which is a very good thing actually. The most of the time pro retail traders who does lot of this kind of background system. So we are somehow we are happy to see that our hard work was into this institutional style of retail trading, which really means a lot. So which means the logic, we don't have emotions here, we are completely rely on logic. Are we relied on prediction? No, we are depending on confirmation and impulse. Are we working with any kind of emotions here? No, we are completely working on rules based approach. Are in the trading, are we doing any excitements? No, it's completely a system based approach. So this is the major review that I got it from AI review. And one of the favorite quote I got it from AI analysis is, you haven't built the strategy, you have built a framework that forces discipline. So I always suggest, so if you see in this entire review, all the time here we are working with data, not with any predictions or not with any emotions or any suggestions. So always I feel, go with data. Data will really help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.